How to send a picture to an email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can send a picture to an email, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this is not a specific tutorial because this depends from email that you're using, from which app you're using, on which device you're using. If you're using the AOL mail and if you use web browser versus your application, or if you're using Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, Gmail, Apple Mail, iCloud, depending upon you're using on iPhone or web browser or your Android, the process is all a bit different. So for just the general context, because 90% of the people actually do use Gmail, I'll just show you the tutorial based for the Gmail application. So let's say that you have a Gmail app and that you want to send a mail to someone, and that you want to attach a photo into it, or you want to attach or embed a picture into it, right? It's very simple to do that. Just tap on the compose icon from the bottom, just select the person to whom you want to send the mail to, tap on the compose email button, then you have to tap on this little paperclip icon which you see at the top right. When you tap on the paperclip icon, you can simply go ahead and then attach some photos. Just select the photos you would like to add, and the photo is going to be automatically attached to this mail. Now you can just go ahead and make your changes by entering your subject line, by entering your email, and just hitting the send icon over here. So this is really it on how you can send a picture to an email, but as I said, it also really depends upon what you're really using. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.